So today we'll be doing an update video. You know, the last time we came here, you know, this bungalow hasn't gotten to this stage, but so today we're gonna show you the current stage right now. So come with me, let's go. So this is the neighborhood, and actually here is a mini estate. So you get to have a security gate here and your buildings here. So plots also is available here in case you want to buy. Okay, we are selling for an affordable price. This is new GRA Enugu. New GRA, you know, it's a very cool place, and it's a place you want to live with your family if you're looking to buy real estate right here in the city of Enugu. So over here we have 1, 2, 3. All of them are going for 55 million naira. Okay, so the last time we were here, they were still doing this floor. You can see the floor is all done. Okay, so let's just go around so you see. Let's just go around. I'm trying to make it very quick because I don't want to waste your time, right? Yeah, so there'll be an overhead tank here. You can see here it's spacious. Yeah, for just 55 million naira, this can be yours. Okay, right here in Enugu. And one thing I like about this bungalow is that it has a BQ. Yeah, it has a BQ. So this is the BQ. Yeah, this is the BQ. Let me just go inside so you see. So this is the BQ. It has its own toilet here. So one thing, this is the entrance to the kitchen. Yeah, so you can see it's all done. Then this is the well. You can see there's water here. Let me zoom. There's water. So this, they'll use this to cover it. You see, I don't know if they have done anything inside, but let's take a look. Because okay, they have not done the door. It's still basically how it is. They're still here to do the window, the kitchen cabinet. This is the kitchen. This is the 3 rooms and the toilet sitting. So nothing much gets inside, but you can see the outside is all done. So if you want to invest in real estate here in Enugu, I'm your only plug. I'm your only plug. Okay, so call me with the number somewhere on the screen. Let's get you started. Okay, ciao ciao.